Brought a new drone. DJI Maverick Pro Phantom, I think it's called. Maverick Pro Platinum, not Phantom. Oh, look at that. First video on the GoPro Sessions 5. Yeah. Look at me. I'm putting a GoPro sticker on my car.
Is this the new GoPro?
Mm-hmm.
You. Shit.
Close up. GoPro for you, mate. Learn a new way to make crackle on your pork crunchier. Watch and see. You want to heat your oil up? Pour it over there with a ladle. Hope she's crunchy. A little bit. It's only supposed to be 23 degrees today, but they're back burning somewhere. I don't know if you can see the smoke in the air. Feels like it's 50 degrees. I'm dying. I'm gonna get asthma from the smoke or something. Roger that. Roger, mate. I've got new slings and straps today. Very pretty. That's what the new straps look like. They look alright, pretty nice. These are our old slings. Our new ones. 30 to 40 bucks a sling depending on the length, I think. Well, that's what I was told. Yeah. Got my car. Gonna leave this one in for a couple of hours. Hope nobody breaks into her. There's my beast down there. The hard top cover wasn't closing properly. It's closing now, apparently. Sweet as. Gotta love Sydney traffic. We are the best for traffic, Sydney. We're the best. No one can beat us. Look, stop already. Ready? Stop, everyone stop. You're doing 110, but everyone's like, stop. Yeah, the traffic. What's going on here? Big car accident, but on the other side of the road. What's the go? Damn! Truck KO'd that car. Damn! Like and subscribe. Big deals up.